from Style of Life and the side strip. I'm back again for another unboxing of internet of the thing. Hope you enjoy this again. So we are now unboxing a smart lock. So it's a deadbolt smart lock. It's from Kevo. So it's a simply to use. So easy key management, sending electronic key to family, friends, or visitor. So in-house locking and unlocking. Okay. So this is touch to open, easy installation, and it say here finish and mechanical lifetime warranty. So if there's something happen to this, so it's say here lifetime warranty. So we'll we're gonna unbox it now. So there's like paper. By the way, thank you to my sponsor. Please subscribe at micosantos.com.au and please subscribe on my Facebook page and my YouTube page as well. So I'm just opening it now. So made in Mexico. So we can open it. Ooh. So I'm just gonna silence my phone. Okay, so we need to open this. Okay, this is Kevo second generation touch to open smart lock. So there's a lot of smart lock in the US, but in Australia it's limited. So you can buy this in Bunnings, I don't know, in Market 10, so or other electronic. So you can buy that in Bunnings. Okay. So you got quick setup guide. So installation is at the back, so you can see how to install it. So you need to download the Kevo app on your mobile phone, create your account if you don't have, install your Kevo smart lock on your door. So I will show that as well on the door. So pretty much that's the smart lock. Okay. Give me a second. Pretty much that's the lock. And this is the back door. Sorry, back door for the back. So that's for the back. So it's a metal compared to the first gen that is not metal. I'll put it back, and you have that. Okay, so you have all other parts. So you got 4 batteries. So you got how to install, term condition, how to install the Kevo, parts in the box. So you also have a drilling plate so that you can measure it. So yeah, so you got 2. Okay, so you got an extra auxiliary and lock in, so you got 2. So pretty much that's what you get inside of the box of Kevo. So I'll put it in here, there. So you have the start guide. So you got 2 key and some paraphernalia that you need to use as well. I'll put it here, put it back. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe me at my Facebook page and also on my YouTube page, and please visit me at mikosantos.com, or that's spelled as mikosantos.com. And thank you to my sponsor as well for giving me this and show to you this smart lock. So next I will continue this at my door and I'll show you how to install it. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we're gonna install the Kevo deadlock on the actual door. So before you start, make sure So you can name your lock. So Marielle, what do you want to name the lock? The Kevo.
What do I want to name the lock?
Yeah.
Let's do Phoenix 2.0.
No, it's ready. Or we just say Phoenix. Okay, so we just gonna.
That Clucky.
No, Clucky is already there.
What?
So just Phoenix. Okay, so.
Yeah, but Phoenix is already there as well.
So.
Why don't we just name it Koala Point 2? Or Peppa Pig.
Okay, so that's done.
Done.
So we're just gonna
Peppa Pig.
put the latches back again. Alright, so it's already paired already. So if you have a Ring doorbell, you can pair the Ring doorbell. So sorry, the Ring doorbell to the Kevo as well. So, oops, sorry. So you have to find. So just gonna try to.
Wait, it's 7 o'clock. Mom's coming back.
So we're gonna lock it in. Okay.
Okay. 1. So then it would be 5 there.
Okay.
So then in 9
So just gonna put the cover, and that's it. That's for the installation. Thank you for watching. So please like my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, and or go to my blog at mikosantos.com.au. Thank you so much. Thanks for it. Especially thanks to my sponsor as well. Thanks. Bye.